Hello guys, this is Doc Rod. Welcome back to my channel. Right now we are here at Mikado here at the West, and I am with my buddy Michal, and also Earl is coming. And look at this food, guys. We gonna do some mukbang here. Yeah, sushi mukbang. And there's a teriyaki, and there's the spicy tuna, spicy salmon, and also this our favorite dragon eye. Yeah. So guys, stay tuned. Hello guys, this is Doc Rod. Welcome to my channel. Guys, we're here at the Mikado Restaurant, and I'm with my buddy Michal. And right now we have this
Dragon eyes.
dragon eyes, our favorites. Yeah. So I'm gonna try this again. Okay. Using this chopstick. Okay.
Time to dig in.
We'll see.
Let's see
Look at
the.
it.
This is a taste test.
Oh my gosh. This is really, yeah, you hold it like this, Michal. That's right. No. You hold like this.
Oh, you're trying to show me
Yeah.
how to.
Okay. And then it's
You
like
having
a
a-
clip.
You having a little
Yeah.
trouble there. Oh, you got it.
Yeah. And then, oh.
Oh, there you go. That was a good bite.
My gosh.
Out of 10, how much?
It's so good. It's really good. So guys, this is it.
I don't think we've ever seen
This
this
is it.
before.
We have
Yeah, me
this.
too.
We have this.
Titanic.
The Titanic.
Yeah, literally.
Yeah. So yeah, we have Earl here and Michal, and look at this. We're gonna do some mukbang. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh,
Go
wow.
ahead. Go ahead, guys. Go ahead. Yeah.
Time to dig in.
There you go. Dig in.
Thank you.
Eee.
Alright.
You don't know where to start. You don't know where to start.
Try one of these guys.
Which one?
I don't even know what this is.
I've never said that.
Let's see what this is. I don't even know how to use chopsticks here.
I don't know which one to try. There's so many.
Yeah.
try this one.
He doesn't know where to go, what to start, what to pick.
Should I use this one?
Oh. How is it? Wow.
Yeah,
What
dig
you
in
bet?
too.
No.
Oh, it's really good.
Here, I'll take a video.
Yeah. Wow. Oh my gosh. It looks so yummy. My goodness. Wow, enjoy the food.
Let me get this one
So Michal, it's a mix Filipino and
Polish.
Polish.
here. Yeah.
Filipino, Polish. What Filipino words that you learned
Ano?
that you know? Ano?
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 Kamusta?
Kamusta?
How do you say water?
Kamusta?
You have to learn.
I should learn. I definitely should learn.
Yeah. So probably soon, guys, you're gonna be at Viva or GMA or
What do you mean?
ABS-CBN.
Oh, see what happens, you know.
Yeah,
Be
who
famous.
knows?
Famous actor.
Right?
You gotta go down there and test your limits.
Yeah.
You gotta learn though first. No, that's the thing. I gotta learn the language.
Yeah, that's right. You have to learn the language.
You could
Good.
be a celebrity.
You think?
Yeah.
Huh?
He could be a celebrity.
What's that?
Mia can be a celebrity.
Oh yeah, of course. Yeah.
No.
Ah, humble.
Yeah, Doc can be a celebrity.
Oh my god. I'm done with that.
Are you a celebrity?
Oh yeah, he is already a celebrity.
Embrace your power.
Chicken on the other side.
Which one?
Sea of Thieves? Or...
I think so.
I know that game. I know what you're talking about.
We have to guess, and when you hit it, you can sink the boats.
Yeah.
Yeah, that.
Oh, it's like multiplayer too, online and everything?
Yeah.
Yeah, pretty much Sea of Thieves, yeah.
This is a good mukbang vlog.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is my first time trying.
Well, I haven't
Spicy
seen you
too?
for a while.
Yeah.
Oh,
Crazy. I've been working a lot.
where are you working now?
I got a
University?
new job at. No, not yet. Next week I start university.
Okay. Oh wow, that's good.
I work at Lululemon. Yeah, I got hired there.
Give me a discount there.
Yeah, we can order online. But I work Lululemon, Hollister.
Can you
and-
order online for me?
Yeah.
This is Lululemon.
Oh, ABC Jogger.
Huh?
ABC Jogger. It has a four-way
I love this. I love this. I'm from
Yeah.
Lululemon.
Very comfortable.
Yeah. Oh my god.
I have 3 jobs now.
Oh. Are you sleeping? Are you still sleeping?
Yeah. Sometimes depends.
Oh, wow, good for you. You work at Lululemon. Yeah.
Which one's
You have to order for me online, okay? Because I love.
But we can't.
I love
we can't
also.
tell.
Huh?
We can't tell the managers.
You have to cut that part.
We'll order. Just for my dad.
Oh, well, for your dad. Yeah, for your
my
dad. Yeah.
We were making $6 commission. So yeah, on top of the wage. So I worked every day in August. So I was like,
Orderan ako ni Earl ng Lululemon.
Yeah.
From the dad. For the dad. For the dad. Yeah. So what is your favorite?
my favorite.
Yeah.
Well, I haven't tried any of these. I
okay.
tried this one, which is really good.
It's good.
Yeah. I don't usually eat the like what's
The
this?
raw?
Yeah, the raw.
The raw.
But it was pretty good.
Yeah.
It's different, no?
Yeah. The dragon eyes is pretty good
Yeah.
too.
Nice.
Yeah.
Yay.
Beautiful. Take a picture before it goes away.
Oh, honestly. Instagram quality.
Yeah. Balance everything out. So I might have to quit one job, but yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, because you still want to make sure with this school, right?
Yeah.
You have
But,
to
like,
look for
I'm
what.
sure they'll be able to compensate because they do hire a lot of students, right?
Yeah. So hopefully, we'll see.
Oh yeah.
I'm bad. I didn't broke my.
3 more years, I think. I finished my first year.
Is that McEwen or?
Yeah, McEwen.
Oh yeah.
How about you? Do you still do weightlifting?
Yeah, I still
The
personal train.
competition?
Still,
Yeah, and then I've been. Oh,
Yeah.
it's good. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I should ask for report.
You know, guys, Earl's first time to eat that raw
The raw fish.
food. Yeah, raw fish.
I don't know what's gonna
Okay.
happen. I don't
Okay.
know. I don't know how it's gonna taste.
Okay.
Should I dip it in the soy sauce?
So
Sauce.
And then we'll see the reaction.
It's like Jello. It's like fish Jello. It was good.
It's good.
Yeah.
Oh, yay!
Yeah, it was good.
Nothing in IT. I talked to a few people. If you have a certificate, but you have a degree behind your name, no matter what it is, it shows that you have a form of dedication to like some
Right?
education.
Yeah,
so
that you
they will
did
consider
something.
that.
You accomplished something.
They will consider that
Yeah.
versus somebody who doesn't have a degree. So it's really, so that's why I like did a little bit. Honestly, high schools never teach you that stuff. They never teach you nothing.
Yeah.
They should, but they don't.
They should start.
But it's because they're like making people go like upgrade and all that
Yeah.
to make people pay more money, and yeah, it's a business at that point.
Life.
Yeah.
Earl, what else you wanna order? Order something.
I think we got the whole
Because you're
menu.
not- because
we
you're
got
not,
the whole menu.
Because we're not. Seems like you can't eat the raw.
Oh no, I can.
You can?
Yeah.
Oh.
I can eat.
Ah.
Maybe you get the chicken teriyaki or something like that.
Teriyaki.
Chicken teriyaki, beef teriyaki. It's like Ito.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
He's
Thank
trying.
you.
He's trying.
Yeah.
He's trying. Oh, look at that. Mmm. It's good.
Cut.
So guys, so we've been eating, but you know, I wanna try this one. But what I like with this, I'm gonna put ginger on top of it.
Ginger.
Yeah, ginger. Yeah, and then I'm gonna put ginger on top of it. And this is sashimi, salmon sashimi, I guess, right? My God.
You gotta put some nice slow background music.
My God. Okay. How is it?
No comment. Just
Don't talk when your mouth is full.
Mel, you know which one you should try? This one. Look, the mochi.
Yeah.
This is called mochi.
Yeah, like avocado. It's like an avocado.
Yeah. Do you want to try it, Doc?
Yeah. Actually, there's a funny story of that one. When I was
Wasabi?
oh my God. What happened is I tried that for the first time in Bacolod, and
You have a lot?
and I thought it's avocado.
Oh, you thought it was avocado?
My God, I thought that one is avocado. So, you know, we haven't started eating yet, and but that's the first thing. That's the first thing that I ate.
Oh yeah, they
my
put it in the table
God.
first. Hey, before
I
that.
was running because my tears coming out, and also just like my ears is as a smoke.
Yeah.
Oh my God, it's so spicy.
So Doc, you're not a big fan of spicy?
I love spicy, but it's just like
But not that?
No. It's just like
Just kicked in?
first time,
Oh yeah.
and I didn't realize that it's really,
Oh, yeah.
really
Spicy?
spicy. Yeah.
Q&A.
Okay, here, I'll ask it. Michal, this is my question for you. What does your diet look like? Your daily intake of food?
Okay, so we gotta first track our calories, track our macros, so know how much protein, carbs, and fats. But generally, it's pretty simple for me. I go about 4 to 8 egg whites in the morning, with
Egg
about
whites?
1 to 2 servings of oats.
Doc, what happens to the egg yolk?
Send it to me.
And and then black coffee. And then at lunchtime, I'd have also another about serving or 2 of oats. And I have that with like peanut butter, cinnamon, and then during the day, I'd have 3 meals of chicken breast, all with mixed vegetables. And then as snacks, I would have fruits like raspberries, blueberries, and salads, pretty much. So it's really, really, very simple.
Wow! Look at that. Stand and show it, buddy.
As you can
Stand and
see,
show it. Flex. Flex. Come on.
I gotta eat the sushi now.
Oh my god.
As I talk about my meal prep, eat easy.
How about how many times do you go to the gym?
52 times a week.
Oh yeah.
Just kidding.
Wow.
No.
I go 53 times a week.
What?
53 times a week.
Wow! Oh my God.
Yeah. Doc goes 54 times a week.
We don't sleep.
Yeah, we don't. Yeah. We do leg day, then we head out to work. Then during our breaks, we
So
do
how about how's your diet?
Oh my god.
You did like your whole day's diet.
What? The light's nice. Look at the fixture that they have over here. Look at the bow. Doc, how's your family?
You are changing the question.
Anyways, Doc, your salad's getting cold.
Yeah, honestly, what's your breakfast?
Sorry, Doc, my mouth's full. I can't talk. Okay, I'll just give my breakfast because it's nothing crazy. I make eggs. I eat it with the egg yolk. Yeah, I eat it with the egg yolk. I scramble it. I put plant-based meat in it, like ground beef but plant-based.
Oh wow.
Yeah. And I put
Sounds Filipino.
I put veggies in it too. I put like
Oh.
spinach and everything. Mushrooms. I've been liking mushrooms. I don't know if it's healthy or not. But yeah, I kind of just put whatever.
Sounds healthy.
And I have toast with avocado.
Wow. Not wasabi, eh?
No wasabi. Doc has wasabi. Wasabi toast. Doc, you want to take this home?
It's tough to get back into routine, but once you do, then it's like, okay,
Yeah.
it'll come off. But it's a matter of doing it because it's hard getting to it first.
Yeah, I feel like it's like the starting point. You just gotta keep having that motivation, the discipline. Yeah.
What is that?
Discipline. It's really important, and motivation.
Spell discipline.
Discipline. Oh my god.
Yeah. Guys, the light looks really nice. Look at the boat. Look, your salad's getting cold. Look, you're gonna eat.
Oh man, that's fun.
Discipline, D-I-S. Never. The light.
L-I-G-H-T.
L-I-G-H-T. This is a light. This light.
Oh my god, this is fun.
Oh my god.
Okay, so we're gonna ask Michal again. What's Tagalog words you learn aside from ano? What's another Tagalog word that you learn aside from ano?
Kumusta?
Kumusta?
Oh, I have a question. Doc. I have a question from Michal is. Oh no. We'll test him. We'll say a Tagalog word and he has to guess what English.
Okay,
word.
okay.
No,
There you
we're
go.
gonna
Okay.
It has to be close to English then.
Okay. It might be close to Spanish. So if you know a little bit of Spanish, then. Oh, that's too easy. Wait. La mesa.
Laundry?
La mesa. La mesa.
Messy?
La mesa.
La messy.
La mesa.
La mesa.
Like the soccer
Messy?
player.
Yeah, messy the soccer.
La mesa.
Table?
Yeah.
That's not even close. La messy.
La Messi.
La messy table now.
Good job, good job, good job. Say, Sophie, you're maganda.
Sophie, you're maganda.
Yeah, Sophia, you're maganda.
Sophia, you're maganda. I know. Oh yeah, I know maganda.
Oh, there you go. So, when is the next competition?
Probably 2022. I'm thinking after I'm done school, like in June.
I went with Michal in Vancouver. Oh my god,
Oh,
we
yeah.
had fun in this competition.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god.
How was it?
Oh, it was great. I got second, but it was like.
That's pretty good stuff.
Oh, it was like definitely very competitive.
We enjoyed the, the like restaurant.
Oh, it was very scenic. The scenery was really nice. Yeah. Was it Victoria or Vancouver?
Vancouver.
Vancouver.
It's
Yeah.
so nice there.
Yeah, Vancouver's beautiful. The scenery, like, just like the places in general.
Yeah. It's very different from Edmonton.
Oh, so much more you could do.
Yeah.
Yeah, we went for restaurant hopping
Restaurant
But
hop.
that's after the competition.
after the competition. After the competition.
Imagine if it was before. And you
I
had
go
to
on stage with a stomach like this.
Imagine.
It's going for fishing.
Yeah, we need more food. So should I go to the back? Should I go to the back and throw that? we need more food. That's pretty cool. Hairnet.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
Who forgot theirs?
Ah, guys, guys, I finished the salad. And Michal finished the
Teriyaki.
teriyaki.
Dragon eyes.
He's bulking.
You want to order? You want to order some more food?
Oh no, that's okay.
You're okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. Don't eat the
Thank you,
bowl.
Doc didn't buy enough food, so I have to eat the bowl. Just kidding. No, it's a joke.
Oh, they have mochi ice.
Yes.
Mochi
Your
ice is pretty
favorite.
good.
Huh?
Mochi ice is actually pretty good.
Oh yeah, it's very good.
And it's like smaller. It's not like too
Yeah.
crazy. Okay, I see Doc has the wine ready here.
Yeah, wine.
Oh yeah, there's cakes, tempura ice cream.
Tempura ice cream.
What do you guys want?
Yeah. How about you, Earl?
What do you think?
What do you think?
No. I joke.
Really?
Don't drink and drive. I don't know. How about the coconut?
Coconut, okay.
Maybe.
Yeah, there's
ice
coconut.
Yeah.
Because there's flavor, green tea. I think that's all. They're like
Vanilla, strawberry, green tea.
2 pieces.
Oh, it just comes
Yeah,
with 2.
yeah, 2. So which one?
Oh, I'll just get vanilla.
Vanilla. Okay. So probably I'm gonna go with sherbet. Yeah.
Which one?
Sherbet. Sherbeti. Sherbeti.
Sure, bad.
Sherbet. How would you say it? Sherbet or sherbet?
So I thought it was sorbet.
Sorbet, yeah.
That's
I was like, what are you
O-R-B.
saying?
No.
No?
It's sherbet.
They spelled it wrong. We can ask them to spell discipline. Let's see if they get it right. Oh my gosh. Anyways.
Wow, what's mango and the mochi, vanilla mochi, that's for you, buddy. And that's mango.
Oh, that's yours. Sorbet.
Sherbet.
Sorbet.
So,
Yeah.
Like a little muffin.
I have my
Have you
dessert.
tried a burrito?
Mango sherbet or ice
It's
cream.
like rice.
It's sherbet.
It looks like this, right?
Yeah.
It's pretty good, actually.
And Michal has vanilla mochi. And for Earl,
I'm on a
nothing.
diet. Yeah, I'm
Earl
on
is
a
on
diet.
diet right now.
Look,
so
I'm eating the paper. See, I have to go fishing too after. So yeah.
and sorbete in Philippines, sorbetero. And this is mango. So mango is lagyan natin ng cream. And
Slow motion. You don't need to add the effect.
oh my god.
Wow. How is it, Doc?
Oh
Rated
my
out of 10.
god. It's not good. It's really good. Sorry. It's really
You said
good.
it's not good.
It's really good.
Doc, we caught you on camera.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Yeah, like you
It's
can
natural
just,
instinct.
I can tell even you're wearing mask.
Can you? Oh, my eyes.
We just your eyes, your smile.
Am I smiling, Doc?
Yes, you are.
Oh.
Thank you.
Oh, we can split it. There's
This is for Earl. Whoa, Earl. Can you finish it, Earl?
No, I can't finish this. We'll split it. See the cut out.
Wow.
So I made this. This is coconut with. I fried it at the back actually. I don't know how it didn't melt, but yeah, it's like crispy and hot outside and cold and fresh inside.
It's
coconut.
just like a deep fried ice cream.
Oh yeah,
Actually, yeah.
it's
Deep
crazy
fried ice cream.
science.
Yeah.
Just kidding. No, I didn't make it.
Okay, Earl is going to try the deep fried ice cream.
Let's pretend that I didn't
Deep
take a
fried
bite already.
ice cream, coconut.
This is my first time.
Okay.
Totally first time.
How is it, buddy?
Super good.
It's good? Really?
Good mix.
Oh wow.
Can't complain with ice cream.
And get that mochi. Wow. So anyway guys, thank you so much Earl
Oh, thank you guys.
and Miha. Thank you so much for
Thank
coming.
you.
And this is a really nice bonding. Yeah. So if you want to follow Earl, the phone number is
587-594.
and also Mia.
Link below. Link below. Link below.
It was nice seeing you guys again. I'll say my phone number. No. But it was nice seeing these two guys again. Haven't seen them in a while, and yeah, just enjoying the food. And yeah, you know my social media. Yeah.
What is your social media?
Oh, it's just EJD Miguel on
Yeah.
Instagram. My phone number is 587-599. Single.
Available.
Just finishing up here, Mikado. We're gonna say bye to you guys for now. If you guys want to check out my Instagram, it's gonna be linked down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
So guys, so we're enjoying the food here. We're enjoying this mukbang, and so thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Dakra TV. Thank you so much. Bye.